Hello, my little friends. Come on in. Hacker dolls, this is Penny Free Eyes. Oh, she means we're about to leave for the airport. Let me show you the most important things. Penny's Binkies, these 7 perkins, Playtime Binky, Starring Penny Binky, Bad Time Binky, Double Chain Binky, but the most important one, I want to show you this purple one. This is Put Me Back to Sleep Binky. A peaceful, quiet nap always put Penny in a good mood. This will be nice when she meets her grandparents before nap time. Why don't we let her watch TV? This is a sign that it's time for Penny's nap. A quiet nap is all Penny needs. Now, Penny, the Hacker Dolls will watch over you as you take a nap. That's it. Off to dreamland we go with your back to sleep, Binky. Watch after this, Binky, Hacker Dolls. You be a good boy, shout. No loud barking. Bye-bye, Hacker Dolls. We're back! Goodness me, we're for taking care of Penny today. I slept so well last night. Our parents are here.